Hi everyone, welcome to my another video on this channel, and I will show you about the tutorial of making 3GFX to everyone. So, uh, so of the as as of today here, actually I'm making a poll on my channel. Just talk about uh, the the first ever tutorial on this channel, which is something nice. And then, according to my poll, mostly is I'm gonna upload my first GFA, I mean, first tutorial of this channel. So it's gonna be a like little bit long video, which is I'm spliced into parts, which is part one, part two, or something. Anyways, here's the catchy part when in my Discord industry or uh, in my Discord, some members of my server bash about my GFX I made. That was AI. Actually, it's actually for glossy, but yeah, it's made by artificial intelligence or AI. It's very bad because some people what was that some people like some people hate my GFX due to oh my god due to whatever that is. I don't know, something weird. And then I'm so curious about the what was that, is it disconnected? I guess so. Yeah, so BRB, I'm back again because it's like I don't know, it's like I got disconnected of the game. But anyway, some members hates my GFX because it's AI generated. Yeah, because I'm making glossy. I can't use PC to edit because I'm not taking animation or something because I don't have my own PC. But we have PC, but it's not mine. That's my sibling. So So I'm making GFX without using AI because I rely on skills I have. So here's my example of my GFX that using AI. As you can see that the the avatar is very glossy, and compare it to the non-AI generated GFX, which is which is also good though, but it's a little bit dull and ugly, but it's still very nice. So I'm gonna use non-AI generated, so no one judge me about my GFX again. So anyways, let's proceed to the tutorial. Okay, let's proceed to our tutorial of the day. So in your menu, search catalog avatar creator on your search bar, and then you can see on the screen how it looks, and then you can enter the game, and here's the what you entered with. Actually, it's full of players doing GFX edits and other things, but here's my tutorial about to make GFX. So first, all you have to do is press the button right there on the see on the icon about the or arrow icon or GIF, whatever animated icons. Just focus on icon. As you can see this thing, avatar refinement, and then press this button here, pose editor, and then as you can see on the right side of your screen, your body you can be edited or craft. It's like a Blender 3D where you Roblox avatar. You can edit your body using some sort of setting that body can change positions. So, for example, I'm gonna use my pose like this. This is my head. Okay, yeah. This is my head, and so I'm gonna fast forward of doing this. Let's fast forward. And there you have it. That's my own post this GFX. I can do it because it's like only for tutorial. That's only works. Uh so and after that, you're gonna press the icon there, so it hides the UI of the game. So I gotta press this. As you can see, it's blank. It's completely blank except the icon of the Roblox chats, all this to whatever that is. And then all you have to do is I think zoom out. Yeah, zoom out and take a screenshot of the GFX so it saves to your gallery. And then once you uh once you take a screenshot of the photo or screenshot of the photo, all you have to do is to crop 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 your screenshot photo into 1:1 uh ratio. It's like a square type image, so it's easy to link to the app called IBIS Paint. After that, uh, you can exit the game and I will proceed to the IBIS Paint. Hi again. Here's the app called IBIS Paint X. What was that? IBIS Paint, where you can as you can see the below. Don't bite the ads. I gotta filter the ads because it's not important in my video. I'm not sponsoring my channel. Yeah, as you can see below some sort of ranking of making digital arts using this app. But anyway, now I'm gonna doing my GFX. So all you have to do press my gallery right there, and as you can see, I'm using my new phone because my old phone was bought in year 2019. The screen ruined. And I saw some sort of dead pixel, and I don't know what the call terms a uh technician for repairing phones, like haywire, I think haywire when the back panel of the screen almost it's almost broken. So now I'm gonna plus this one, and as you can see, if you make GFX, choose 1:1, which is the square one, and then and then press this thing right there on the arrow. As you can see there, arrow. Press that one, and press this thing. Import the picture, and pick a screenshot or avatar screenshot. So as you can see right there, I made, and then you can zoom in, zoom out, whatever you like. Just zoom in, zoom out. So I'm gonna below a little bit. Oh, it's a little bit off, so I'm gonna adjust. So you can adjust your screenshot avatar that makes your GFX perfect. So if you done, press check mark. Also, I mean, after that, press the paintbrush icon right there. As you can see the arrow when I'm making the video. Press that and press magic wand where if you tap the entire GFX or some sort of screenshot, it can be select the parts of your screenshot that will be deleted or erased, and only left is the outline inside of it. So as you can see, I gotta press the white thing. So you can see there's the, wait, hold on. So you can see that the line there is called the erase, the removal area when you can erase that. So I will reveal this. So we have to press paintbrush and eraser, and the cursor must be 1000, and swipe all around the screen, and it left the what is called the outline inside of it. So it just ignores the outline that I can erase. So I will continue to erase some parts because I'm gonna clean this up. Look at that, it's pixelated, but anyway, because I'm not using any my AI anymore, so no one bash me again. I really hate bashing because I got depressed. So please, everyone, no hate, no anything, no negative comments, because if you can, I quit anyway. I'm what is this called? Uh, I automatically quit my channel because I really hate comments or messages. So be kind, everyone. So as you can see, I'm gonna erase this thing, and I'm gonna move this out. After that, press magic wand again and press this thing right there. So the outline, uh, it's removed. So it's back to normal. And if you encounter some excess, you just remove like this line there above. So you can remove manually. After that, press this called the layer section, and press plus icon. This is additional layer, and duplicate layer. And as you can see, when I highlight the picture, that's what I focus for. All you have to do is this, like there's number 3. Swipe down, and if you notice when I zoom in, it goes behind the front photo or the stock one, so it can hides the behind, it hides the second layer, which is behind of the third layer, which is like a, it's like per layer, it's like a building or pancake. It's like a pancake with the first layer is the base, second layer is the topping. I mean, oh no, no, it's like it's like a burger with the first layer is the bun, the second layer I guess is like a, I think it's a vegetable one, it's like lettuce, something, tomato. The third layer is the burger, the fourth one is vegetables, and the fifth one is the mayonnaise, any condiments, and last layer is the top bun. So that's how it works in this game, this application. After that, which as you can see, I'm recording on my phone. Time stop is almost more than 15 minutes, I guess. So which means I will do 2 parts of my tutorial. So stay tuned if I upload.